Hi, I'm here from KodiLearn. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own cool looking login and register form. In the previous video, we have discussed about one loginpress plugin, but that was not too good. Means there are lots of customization in that plugin also, but we have to create from scratch. Means we have to do lots of customization. That's a little bit hard for us. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about two main plugins that you can use to quickly and easily customize your login form, and you can also create your own login form with the profile of the user. So let's get started. So at first, just search your one plugin called custom login page. You'll get one plugin called custom login page by KodiLearn. Just click on this install now button, and here just scroll down, and you'll get one plugin called ultimate member. So I'm going to click install now from here too. So you can also search from here ultimate membership plugin and you will get this plugin, or you can also search this and you'll get below. So let's wait for some time, and remember that these two plugins are optional. Means you need to install those plugins that you like, and you do not need to install either of these that you do not like. So now all the plugins are installed. Let me activate it just by going to the plugins, and let me click on this bulk action and activate and apply. So let me show you the KodiLearn login customizer options. Just click on this login customizer and it will go to the customizer of your WordPress, just like the previous plugin that we have discussed. If you want to watch, then I'll give the link in the description for that plugin also. So while recording this video, I don't know why it is not showing the register form here. So that I'm going to just click on this new in private window and open this website. So when you install this, then it will be customized. Means little bit things in this website is changed. I go to template, and here are lots of other templates too like this you can use. And when I refresh here, you can see it's completely changed into this. And here is this template and this template. You can use anything that you want. So I'm going to just leave it as default. I want to put this, and I am going to here, and here is the logo option. You can hide the logo if you want, and you can use the text logo also, like here login to continue if you want. So I'm going to just leave it as default. You can tweak around these settings because I do not want to make this video too long. And here is the layout option. So here it's two columns. When you choose this option and when I publish here and when I refresh here, you can see it will be like the default login page. So when I make it the two columns, as you can see, it will be like this. And here is the column width. So you can change the width by just clicking on this button, and like when I refresh here, and it will go a little bit here. Okay, so I'm going to just leave it as default. So you can align whatever you want and click around these settings like this. So I'm going to just leave it as default and going here, and here the background option. You can choose the custom background color if you want, or you can choose the background image for this. So I'm going to just make it as default, and here is the general form option. So you can change the form width, height, and lots of options are here. And you can see obviously change this background image also. And here are lots of options. So if you want to learn more about this option, like what is margin or something like that, then you can watch the previous video. In that video I have explained some of these things about. So here is the form shadow and lots of things. So you can just leave it as default, or you can tweak around the settings by yourself. I do not want to make this video long. And here's the login form text. So here, as you can see, here is the username and email address. You can change this, and here the password label. So here, as you can see, this is the password here it is telling, and here the remember me. You can change this text if you want, and here's the lost password, and you can change this text like here. So when I click on the lost your password, then you can see here this option. And here the form buttons and links, and you can just check these settings, or you can also create your own custom CSS from here. So by the way, I'm going to just show you another plugin demo too. So here when you install the another ultimate membership plugin, you will get one option called create page. When I click on this create page, you will see that it will tell me some option. You can change this if you want. I'm going to just click on save changes, and here the users panel, and here is the username and first name, last name, and lots of things are available here. Use gravators. If you want to use gravators in your WordPress website, then you can take this. Actually means when a user have signed in gravators, then their photo will also see here. And here the account option and upload option, you can change these settings. A lot of them are here, and you can change those settings. So if you haven't turned on one setting, then just click on general settings, and here is one called anyone can register. Just click on the save changes. So let me show you my website now. So here, as you can see in my website, due to this membership plugin, ultimate membership plugin, you can see here is one option called account. So here, as you can see, I got this account without anything. Means I just installed that plugin and got all of this. Like I can update my account, change password, privacy, and lots of things. I can also delete my account from here. And here the login button. So it is already logged in, so you can also hide those unnecessary things for login user. Just click on this menu, and I have not created my menu, so let me create one menu and create menu. And I'm going to just click on view all, home, account, login, logout, members, password resistance, and all these things I want add to menu. And suppose I do not want this account to be for the logged out users, I can just click on this, and I want to have this logout only for the logged in users. I can just put it here like this, and here the login button. So I want to have this only for logged out users, and here the members button. So I also want this for only logged in users. And here is password reset. I want to have this for only logged in users. So I want to just make it a little bit like this, and here password reset here to make drop down. And here the register, I want to make this to logged out users, and let me make it here. And here the user, I also want to be for logged in users only. And let me save this menu. Before saving, be sure to check this primary and save menu. When you save menu, you can see it will only show the things that are required for you. And here the logout, password reset. When I click on this account, I can get this. And here the members option. So it will show all the members of your website. And here the user. So it is your profile. You can obviously just click on this user, and here the navigation label, I can just type profile, and let me refresh here. You can see I got this profile here. You can obviously, user can add cover photo, and they can just click on this setting and edit profile, my account, log out, and they can see all their posts, all their comment directly from here. So it is very good plugin, ultimate membership plugin. If you want to use, then you can easily use this plugin. So let me show you the login page also. So as you can see, when you go to my website, you can see here I got this register and login button. No any account or which we have configured in the section of menus. And here when I click on this register button, then I'll get this login form. So you can see here, as you can see, and user can register and log in also directly from here, as you can see. So let me go to the ultimate member settings, and here is the appearance option. Here are lots of options also that you can choose, and here you can change the option that you want. And here are forms also. You can change this thing if you want. So that's for today. Hope you like the video. Then do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to get more videos and tips and tricks related to WordPress, then please subscribe, like, and share the video. And thank you for the video. Stay tuned. Goodbye.